This Comfee 30-inch under-cabinet range hood is designed for kitchens where space efficiency, quiet performance, and dependable ventilation matter more than oversized designs or complicated controls. Built to integrate seamlessly beneath standard kitchen cabinets, this slim profile range hood focuses on improving everyday cooking comfort by managing smoke, grease, and odors without overwhelming smaller kitchens. Whether installed in duct or ductless mode, it provides practical flexibility for apartments, condos, and homes where exterior venting options may be limited. The core of this range hood is a 3-speed exhaust fan engineered to deliver consistent airflow while maintaining low noise levels. Cooking environments vary from light simmering to intense frying, and the adjustable fan speeds allow users to match ventilation power to the task at hand. This balance between performance and quiet operation is particularly valuable in open-plan kitchens or shared living spaces, where loud ventilation can disrupt conversations and daily routines. The slim stainless steel body is a key strength of this model. Its low-profile design fits neatly under cabinets without reducing headroom or creating visual clutter. The black finish adds a modern, understated aesthetic that complements both contemporary and traditional kitchen designs. Beyond appearance, the stainless steel construction resists heat, moisture, and corrosion, ensuring durability even with frequent use. Cleaning is straightforward, requiring only a gentle wipe to maintain its appearance. Filtration is handled by a 5-layer reusable aluminum filter that effectively captures grease and cooking residue before it spreads throughout the kitchen. Unlike disposable filters, this aluminum filter is dishwasher safe and easy to detach, encouraging regular cleaning and sustained performance. Effective filtration not only improves air quality but also protects the internal components of the range hood, contributing to long-term reliability. Lighting plays an important supporting role in cooking safety and comfort, and the integrated LED lights provide clear illumination over the stovetop. These lights improve visibility without producing excess heat and consume less energy than traditional bulbs. For everyday cooking, proper lighting reduces eye strain and helps ensure better control over food preparation. One of the most practical advantages of this Comfee range hood is its dual installation capability. It can operate in duct mode for direct exterior venting or be converted to ductless operation with the addition of a compatible carbon filter. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of kitchen layouts and housing situations. Homeowners and renters alike benefit from a solution that adapts to structural limitations without sacrificing ventilation performance. Ease of installation is another strong point. The hood is designed with a user-friendly mounting process, supported by clear instructions that make installation approachable for those with basic DIY skills. For users who prefer professional installation, the straightforward design minimizes labor complexity. Once installed, intuitive push-button controls allow quick adjustment of fan speed and lighting without confusion or delay. In daily use, the Comfee under-cabinet range hood noticeably improves kitchen air quality. Steam and odors dissipate more quickly, grease accumulation on nearby surfaces is reduced, and the overall cooking environment feels cleaner and more comfortable. Over time, this can help preserve cabinets, walls, and appliances by minimizing residue buildup. From a value perspective, this range hood offers a compelling balance between functionality and affordability. It focuses on core features that matter most: ventilation power, filtration efficiency, durability, and ease of use, without inflating costs through unnecessary extras. For kitchens that need reliable performance rather than decorative statement pieces, this practical approach makes sense. Pros: slim under-cabinet design saves space and fits standard cabinetry. 3-speed exhaust fan provides effective ventilation with low noise. Reusable dishwasher-safe aluminum filter simplifies maintenance. Durable stainless steel body with modern black finish. Convertible duct and ductless installation for flexible use. Cons: carbon filter for ductless installation is sold separately. Lighting is functional but not adjustable in brightness. Final verdict: the Comfee 30-inch under-cabinet range hood is a smart choice for anyone seeking efficient kitchen ventilation in a compact and durable design. Its quiet operation, flexible installation options, and easy maintenance make it well-suited for apartments, condos, and everyday home kitchens. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if this range hood fits your cooking space. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.